In this episode, we will be learning how to change the aspect ratio of a design in Canva. To change the aspect ratio of a design in Canva, first of all, open the Canva application or go to the Canva website on your browser. Once you do that, go ahead and create a new design or open up an existing design you want to edit. Once you select Open a Design, if you are a Canva Pro user, you can use the Resize feature. Simply tap on the three dots at the top of your designing screen. In the expanded menu, click on Resize. If you are a Pro user, you can easily tap on the Resize option and select your aspect ratio for your design, choosing from the category. If you are not a Pro subscriber, you will need to first subscribe to Canva Pro in order to change the aspect ratio of a design in Canva. Once you have subscribed to the Pro version of Canva, then you can easily choose from the preset options or input your own custom size by tapping on the custom size option. Enter the dimension, that is your width, height, and then you will then be able to resize the selected design. But just make sure that you are a Pro subscriber for Canva. If you are not a Pro subscriber, you can manually adjust the dimension by creating a new design with the desired aspect ratio. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.